Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started on making your own Google site for your digital portfolio. So the first thing that you need to do is head on over, make sure you're in your Google Drive platform, and it really works best if you're in Chrome as opposed to Safari. So you'll go to these little 9 dots and you'll click on Sites. I have some started, so I'm going to show you what it's like to start a new one. You'll go to Blank Site. And in your title page, you'll want to make sure it's your name and digital portfolio. This is your home page, right? This is where everything will land that you create. So you can browse all sorts of fun fonts and get creative with that. I'm just going to show you how to quickly change them. I don't know if I'll stick with this, but this works for now. And then the site name. So this is the home page. This is my home page title, but I don't likely want to keep that as my site name. I want my site name to also be the same. Great, because then when I share my website, it will be with that name. So I'm going to center this a little bit. So I have a title, I have my site name. Now I need to add an image for my header. I have something on my desktop that I think will work. So you're welcome to choose from the gallery or Google Images, or if you have photos. I'm actually going to upload a photo on my desktop. So I'm going to upload this Moody Trees. I'm going to open it. Oh, I like that. Sure. You can also play around with different colors and things. This is up to you. This is where your creativity can kind of come in. I don't know if I'll keep that. I kind of like white better. All right. So this is where you will have your home page. And in addition to your home page, you'll want to put an About Me. And over here, with the sites, you will pick a content block. And here you will write about the artist or about me. And you can choose your own font. I like to keep things kind of consistent, but it's fine whatever you would like to do. And in this section, you're going to write about yourself. You can write about your likes, your hobbies, your family. So that's really up to you, but at least 6 sentences. I'm not going to do that now, but this is where I would. Great. So at least 6 sentences. And then here is where you want to add a photo of yourself or a likeness of you. It could be an emoji, it could be an avatar of sorts, but it should be a representation of you. So I'm going to upload this photo that you see of me everywhere. I could choose to keep it in this sort of cropped situation, or I could turn it into a square. All right, I kind of like that. I feel all right about that. So I have my home page done, but I need to add pages for each of my art classes. So I do that by going over here to Pages, and I'm going to move, and this plus button says, oh, you can add a new page. So you're going to add a new page, and whether it be digital photography, exploratory, sculpture, whatever. In this case, I'm going to do exploratory art, and you'll see that then that is an additional page to your homepage. So here's my homepage, and here's exploratory art. For each of your classes or each class, it needs a distinct image from your homepage, so it's easier to distinguish. So I'm just going to choose this one. It's on my desktop. You're welcome to upload anything in Drive. I have this corn picture. I might want to change the font to be consistent with the other parts. That's something to be thinking about. And then from here, you can add content blocks, and this is where assignments will go based on how things go in the trimester. So After all of that is complete, you want to make sure you publish it. Anytime that you make changes, you want to publish your site, and you'll see how the site name corresponds with what is over here in the corner. So Megan Dehner Digital Portfolio, publish. I feel really good about that, but now I need to share that URL with your instructor, me. So in order to do that, right now the draft is restricted, which is fine. You only want to see your draft. And the published site is for Iowa City schools, which is fine, but what you really want is for public. So say if you want to share it with any caregivers or but you are in control of this URL. I will never share it with anyone outside of ICCSD. So then this copied published link will be what you submit in Canvas when it's asked for. Thanks.